What up, what up, what up? Wah. Oh, man. What up, everybody? What up, Jip? Yeah, I stacked some more gains. Uh, what did I do? Played some up here, played some up there. Yeah, because the stream ended. I think I took this loss, which is 88 bucks. That's nothing. I made that back, and then I hit another 42 there. Actually, it's 42 and 20, so I'm up about 60 something bucks. And everybody having a good day? Anyone not having a good day? What up, Lori? Anyone not having a good day? We can talk about it. Go over what you see, what the issues are. There you go, Jay. My lunch was yogurt, blueberries, banana, honey, granola, and then I had a small bowl of cereal with a ton of blueberries in it. So slow. I'm about to slam the video earnings. I actually told myself, I was thinking about something before. So like I'll take example for today. So like I obviously took this for a nice win, and I took this for a nice win. Um, I might start just playing bigger. I'll probably uh, like say I got in here and my stop is going to be 68. I say that's 50 points, and I'm just going to say, okay, I'm willing to lose $1,000. So that'd be one mini worth. So then I play one mini worth. So I'll probably play 5 micros. You know, I just think it's time to step up the amounts. So Cove, with my strategy, I see my indicator does tell me to enter or exit. Yo, you completely lost me. Fucking so lost. My strategy I seen with my indicator, it does tell you when to enter or exit. And I guess AI said it's because it's a strategy and not. Yeah. If it's a strategy, it will tell you to enter and exit. I kind of built your strategy, but I forget where I saved it. Dude, I just did this too. Yo, you doing shrooms out there? What are you doing? I say I made your strategy for you. I just don't know where I saved it. Fuck, man. Man, I got so many of these to load up. Yo, I don't know where it went. Oh, it's so weird. It's just gone. I could probably dig it back up. Dude, it was the mix strategy. It was using the trends. It was using the trends with your hourly thing. That's what it was doing. Oh, look at these kids. That's awesome. Past a 25K legacy. Yo, that's why I said go to do the regular ones. They were $59. The regular ones are $59. And after you pass them, you could say that you are funded because you passed your account today. I passed my account today. I am funded. I mean, if you were going to slam any accounts on earnings, those were the ones I would slam. We're back. We're so back. I mean, jeez. I mean, look at this shit. Should I just sit there like this? There we go. I don't even know what that looks like on this. Let me see what that looks like on the screen. Yo, that's fucking wild. I usually don't have it go down that much just because I kind of like only seeing a couple of accounts, to be honest with you. But what's up, Zoida? But now you could just stare at all the green. Um, I am gonna slam some accounts on this shit though. Yo, I had it. I don't know, bro. I had. Oh, here we go. You want it? Dude, that's so weird. Make a new strategy. Here's the code. Yo, it basically combined. It basically combined. I mean, you got to figure this out with what's. I mean, you're gonna have to figure this shit out. I'm not gonna go through all this stuff because I'm not ever gonna use it. But you have it. You definitely have it. I passed my account today. I am funded. Yeah. I don't know. It's like a mix. What's up, Alcy? What's up, Diego? Oh, who's gonna play Nvidia earnings today? Yo, all I want to know is if you weren't here this morning. Jeez. Jeez. I don't think we left any money for anyone else. I have a 214 long average, 2/3 of my off position off. Dude, that's crazy. Always go cheap, BK. That's what I kind of like about honestly, I mean that's what I kind of like about the what do you call it? The accounts that you pay an activation fee for, because at least up front they're cheap, so you can YOLO them during news, and I don't have to worry about shit. I mean, I would be at least break even with the last third before earnings. I'm probably not playing it, BK, to be honest. Oh, if you're break even, I mean, I would probably move it up. I would probably move it up right before Nvidia earnings, to be honest with you. Lock it in. I'm a big fan of locking it in before earnings. I'm gonna have to put some real thought into this. What's up, Van? Yo, there's a lot of settings in there. Just throwing it out there. I had a good one. I don't know where it went. I mean, if you're 15 points in profit, just let it ride. Let it ride if you're at break even and just chill. I'm debating what I want to do. Yo, BK. I'm going to start playing bigger. I already was talking about it. Tomorrow, I'm just going to start playing bigger. I'm not going to do 18 accounts. I'll probably start doing like 4, but I'll play with like a mini. I'll play minis. Yeah, I mean, I just want to make it so, on the eval stage, I would have to lose like 3 times in a row. What's up, Stockage? Yo, where are you earlier, Angie? Oh, what do you got? Work? Should have came on earlier. Freaking crushing it. Yeah, no, I'm going for like $1,000 in each account. Is kind of where I'm gonna go. Like I would have rode this up, and I would have rode this up, and just. It depends, man. I've seen Nvidia take off, and you'll get 150, 200 points, and then I've seen it where it doesn't do anything. I'm hoping we get a beat and it goes up. Yo, violated by VWAP. Yo, you know what we need right now? No, you're not gonna get banned. Yo, we'll do a numbers game before everyone comes on here. I'll do a numbers game at 2:30. Let's see. I'll try to get it. All right. You want to do a numbers game at 2:30? 6, 7. Yo, how's your day, Alana? I was saying that it's probably gonna pop and then probably sell off. Alana said she's at Nobu. You're short? Oh, jeez. Why? Did you make him quit? This thing's kind of flagging to go up. We're already here. Nah, by the time you get here, we'll be done. I love some good top. And Gia, been a killer day from you. Is up 200 plus points from the overnight session. Yeah, overnight session moved. I just realized I got to be at this place at 6 o'clock tonight. I'm not gonna get home until like fucking 8. How am I? I'm good. I just ate at Nobu for lunch, and now I'm home. Trying to make some money. Numbers in 1 minute. WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat. What is that? You meet me at Nabu. Oh, what is the strat for Asia? I just play the trend, man. I let the trend be my friend. I use the trend indicator. Yo, what's up, dog? I use the trend indicator. All right. You ready? Numbers game. Ready, set, go. Oh, man. Holy shit, this is going quick. I am looking for. No. Jeez, this one's got some run to it. Yo, no one's gotten it. I don't even know if I should help. Somebody's right there. Sneaks. Yo, the number was 88. Hold on. Further review on the play. Sneaks got 88. Let's see if anybody else got it. I'm scrolling up, Sneaks. So far, it's you. Ooh, BK put in 89. For keeps put in 89. Yo, you were right there. Yo, for keeps did 88. For keeps is the winner so far. Oh, dude, that had no run. Holy shit. You got that super quick. Yo, for keeps got it. Check my number? What number did you put in? $88 is yo, the next one I do is gonna be super unpopular. I said it in my head. You put 6. You did not win. The number's 88. Not even a little bit. What up, Rodney? Yo, man. You could be a numbers champion. I passed my account today. I am funded. Finally funded. Yo, with the gaming commission. Yo, if you guys ever have an issue on the stream, just send an email to HR. They'll be sure to get back to you. I need an HR complaint email box that when you email it, they get an auto fucking thing sent back to you. Yo, it'll have a phone number on it, and if you call the phone number, it says, like one of those messages, hey, just to let you know, this person does not give a fuck. Oh. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Nvidia earnings are going to get wild. When will Nvidia come? 420-ish. Could come early. I think last time it went off like 3 minutes late. I'm gonna see something real quick. Let me ask Claude what the earnings reaction what was the reaction on the NQ, the second NVDA released its last earnings. What am I drinking? Celsius. I got a long day ahead of me. I don't know if I'm gonna play a run up and a close. I'm just I just think that it's gonna pump. I have Claude telling me right now what it did last time. You can only roll in 30 days, but does include paying for funded reset. I'm not sure. I think so though. Maybe nah. I don't really know, to be honest. I don't pay for funded resets, so I don't know. And I've never blown so many accounts that I couldn't fund them. That's for people who are churning and burning. I don't churn and burn accounts. It's really not trading at that point. I'm gonna play when earnings is actually released. I'm just looking to see what happened last time. Yeah, I don't really know, to be honest with you. It's a good question. So last earnings report was May 20th. I'm just looking to see what happened. I would assume that you're going to get a run into close. How's that sound? That's what it kind of feels like. Is you're going to get a run into close. Oh, there you go, Jay. What up, Alana? Mr. Cove. I want sushi too. That's crazy because I was thinking about getting sushi tonight. Just fucking pause this. All right, so I got to go all the way back to May 20th. Let's see if I can go back to May 20th. All right, you ready? I'll tell you what NVIDIA did. Monday, Tuesday. This is what NVIDIA did. Uh, NVIDIA. NVIDIA. NVIDIA went down like 100 points, and then it came right back, and then went down. Oh, yeah. NVIDIA went down, came all the way back, and then sold off into close. Yeah. I'll tell you what, though. The last hour of the day, we ran about 100 points going into close. Just an FYI. So we ran into close and then we dumped. I might still, that might be the play. Run into close. What up, Jose? What up? What up? Oh, shit. I'm fucking exhausted. Yo, you keep yo, your autocorrect keeps saying rub down. I feel like we hit 331, but I thought we would hit 331 up here also, and we didn't. So who the fuck knows? Yo, it's too much winning. You have a lot of stamina. Only one way to find out. The difference in the difference in last earnings, they just had to come off a killer run up. This time it's been stagnant. I think it's going to go up, John. I think it's going to go up. A lot of. Yeah. If I had a bet, I think we go up. And then, listen, if it sells off, it sells off. But I think the initial pop is up. Just feels like that's what it's going to be. What makes me the most consistent payouts? Probably just playing inversions. Sticking to inversions, probably. Logs only. Logs only, pretty much. Inversions to the upside. So you got to remember the market is priced to go up. It's like 55% of the time the market goes up. So you're kind of going with the percentages right off the bat by playing the going up. On top of that, Jensen just says moon. I think we're going to go up. Yeah. Man, shit's crazy. The only way it goes up if they had less cap expense. I mean, I think I don't care what it goes up after their earnings call. I just think it's going to go up in general. Do I trade magical mushrooms? Oh, magical 20s and 80s? Dude, I thought 11s were magical, but apparently you got 20s and 80s. Jeez, where are those at? I have no idea what 80s and magical 20s and 80s is. Can I trade this in a TPT ovulation? Wait, did you mean evaluation? Did I catch a niner in there? Yo, yo, yo. Oh, that's Matt. That's Matt. I lose on stream and then I make money off stream. That's crazy. Yo, this shit's going to the moon. Yo, this is going straight to the moon. Well, you know what's crazy is it finally hit my fucking TP from this play. Your stop, it finally hit the fucking TP. That's crazy. Yeah, expectations are definitely high. Dude, Nvidia's like that chick that texts you all this nasty stuff, and then when you get there, expectations are super high. If it doesn't hit it, you're gonna be like, ah, Nvidia was all talk. I'm not. Why would I? I'm not shorting up here. I am most definitely not shorting up here. I like money. I think it could keep going. Love some nobulation. Oh, Alana did. I have no idea. I think it. I do think it runs. I definitely think it runs. You're locked. I mean, I kind of want to buy a dip here and then just play the run. I mean, we might just run into. Dude, I'm risking very little to see if this just runs for the rest of the day. I want to see it hold this blue line right here. And that's it. I just want to see it hold and then go to new highs. Oh, my fucking alarm is beeping. Motherfucker. Hold on one second. Hold on a second. My alarm's beeping. I'm back with snacks too. I want to see a bounce right here. Yo, you need a shirt that the front says sir and the back says bro. I mean, they're not raising today. Come on. Dude, that Omen shit's not... Shit's whack. So the piece I bought down here, this piece I just sold up here. I'm basically at break even now. You can be wrong a lot if you're trading. Push out of this. I want to see him push out of this. I got them stops. Oh, no. Bro, my group chat is fucking crazy. I don't even know if I can say this on the air. Can I? Let me see if I can say this without getting canceled. So here, I'll tell you the joke because you guys will probably think it's hysterical. So I'm in a fantasy football league, and my friend, who's a dude, is married to another dude. So they're gay, right? So in the chat, in the fantasy football chat, he goes, "Have you seen that cloud? Have you seen that clown that hides from gay people?" And my other friend goes, "No, I haven't." and then, and then the flood of fucking messages. Jeez. Fucking hysterical. Uh, is that where it's from? Bro, this shit's just going. Dude, that shit's so funny, man. Yo, over 33, this is probably just gonna fucking blow the top off. Yo, I was gonna put a volume indicator on this thing, by the way. That was kind of on my list. I was talking to somebody I know who scalps. He doesn't really even scalp futures. And he was saying how he uses uh basically just like decreasing volume. So basically, he'll look for like us going up or down, and then the fucking volume just be decreasing. I just don't. What's up, Ms. Goody? Yo, I want to see that algo candle. I think they give you an algo candle before they bring it down. Here it is. Over 33, it just fucking algos up. That's all I was looking for. Oh, fucking layup. It was a layup. I mean, you had to assume it's going to break 30, sweep, and come back. Yeah, I heard 6%, but maybe it's 5 now. Man, oh man, that was crazy. It's all luck. You guys didn't know that? It's all luck. Every bit of it's luck. YM just triggered long, I think, by the way. No, YM triggered short, actually. I might just get out of this situation, but I'm in a YM short. Just an FYI. Um, I'm probably gonna get the fuck out of this thing. I'm just curious if they sell it. What is that? The fuck? I don't even know why I'm in it. I mean, I know why I'm in it, but I don't know what the rules are on it. Fucking thing looks like it's gonna go to the moon. I just want to see what happens. Short gold. I would think that Nvidia is gonna pop it, but I don't know if it continues. I don't know if it's gonna continue. That's a whole nother situation. I just got out of this. I'm out of this YM shit, to be honest with you. I'm out of the YM shit. I just don't like it at 3 o'clock and whatnot. Nvidia earnings. Look, they're pumping this thing. This thing might pump all the way into the actual earnings. Last time it ran 100 points into close and then pulled back. I'm just looking. I am just looking at stuff. ES is ripping titties. Oh, I should have held the YM short. Fuck me. That's why I like things to be automated. Like, sucks. I think it's gonna pump out the gate and then it's gonna dump. And if it just dumps out the gate, then I'm not even gonna. Nothing I can do about it. Oh man. What up, Zoida? Is it Zoida or it's Zotya? Zotya? Yo, it's cruising, man. It's definitely cruising. Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Cruising. Maybe. Well, I now crown you Zoida. Zoltan? The Zoltan of SWAT. The Zoltan of SWAT. I passed my account today. I am funded. Here, you guys gotta follow the instructions. For anyone that's new here, follow the instructions. Follow them. Man, this is a dangerous ass long. Why do you think the markets are more range bound in August? I'm not even summer months, less volume. I oh. Are we gonna get big rain tonight? Hold on one second. Are we getting crazy rain? No. I got worried for a second. Actually, I kind of got excited for a second it would rain. Woo! Which way are you gonna play? Which way you playing? Yeah, man. Most of it was done live. I made a couple trades last night, but I figured everyone likes those off-stream guys, so I did some off-stream money for everybody. A word of Turkish origin meaning sultan, although I am not Turkish. That makes sense. But yeah, only goes up. I didn't even have to master gold and silver either. It was crazy. Yo, it's if you didn't already, this is where you join this is where you join. All you got to do is put your name in, and yes, if you did it yesterday, you have to do it today. The bots don't go to the website. No bots to the website. Just put in your YouTube name. Just once today. Just one time. One time. Oh, man. Trying to figure out what I want to do. I passed my account today. I am funded. I am funded. Oh, man. Fucking exhausted. Time for my LA hose? What? Are you not sharing? You keeping them all for yourself? Yo, you just got to pay the taxes on it before you get the money. Bro, my in laws fell for a scam like that. They called me up and told me they just won $2.5 million. And all they got to do is send the guy the tax money on it, and then they can release the funds. I was like, how stupid are you? Are those YouTube ads paying much? No. They pay me $140 a month. But YouTube doesn't show me on YouTube unless I turn them on. I have them on the lowest setting possible. How long have I been married, Cove? Miss Goody's asking to see if I'm looking. Uh, the ads on the stream. 12 years. Right? 12 years. Yo, Miss Goody, like, all right, 12 years kind of goes downhill. Yeah, maybe I can slide into the DMs. Yo, sir, how many hoes you got on your... Oh, dude, I wish. No hoes. Hoes don't want to come by. Yeah, 2014. Damn, you hit 35 years? Dude, Miss Betty. By year 35, man, I hope I get a couple of hall passes. Jeez, Tommy. I'm going to try something right now, I think. Yo, I mean, she gets mad at me anytime I bring it up because, like, we'll play a game with other couples and they'll be like, oh, if you had a hall pass, who would you use it on? And, like, people are like, Brad Pitt. And I'm like, I don't know, the neighbor across the street. I'm playing the percentages, man. Fucking Brad Pitt. Good luck meeting Brad Pitt. I see the neighbor across the street every fucking day. Oh, man. Yo. Said to give her. Yo, your nail lady, babe. Yo, her sister. I wish she doesn't have a sister. I was like, yo, how about the mail lady? She knocks on my door all the time. Hey, man, I'm playing the odds. I am thinking. Bro, there's a single mom in my kids' class. Oh, Jesus. This girl's wild. I mean, super unstable, but that's obviously a positive, you know? Um, yeah, talking about like, may the moon and light shine upon you and all this stuff. I'm like, yeah, you're whacked out, but that's hot. It's probably super hot. So, I mean, we're probably not going to have a relationship, but she's probably wild. Yo, is that how men really think? Yeah, Miss Goody, what are you kidding? That's like when we were talking to Marie earlier. Like we were talking to Marie, and Marie still keeps in touch with her exes. And I was like, Marie, those guys are keeping in touch for that one chance of coming back. She's like, no. Me and Sean were like, Marie, text him at 11 o'clock at night tonight and say, hey, are you still up? You want to come by? I'm bored, and see what happens. Bro, that guy will be in front of your door in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I do believe this. Oh, Marie doesn't think so. She thinks they're just like friends. We're like, no, they're waiting for that one opportunity to backslide. I hate that though. Yo, they're thinking it. They're looking for one chance, one opportunity. This is everything they ever wanted. Yeah, Martin. Yup. Yo, what up, Sean? Yo, Sean's like, yo, let me get on the mic. Yo, did I change my strat or anything? No. Yo, so weird. That happened to me when when I went to the dentist one time. No, Marie's ex burped on the stream one time. Marie almost killed him. Yo,
Yo, ready to slide back in. They're ready to slide that back in.
they're waiting for that text message.
Dude, they've been waiting their entire lives for that text message. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Shit. Just friends.
Yeah. Just friends, man.
Just friends.
I got this one. This is gonna be a third payout if I get this one back up. Third payout, same account.
Boom. I'm getting everything ready for freaking earnings.
Bro. Wow. I don't know what accounts I'm
on a lot of. I kept some dead accounts just for this.
Yeah.
Always. You got to keep dead accounts for like those fun occasions.
I'm gonna fuck, man. How am I gonna do this? I need to take. What I need to do is.
What had happened was
I actually have to disconnect off of this ninja the majority of my accounts because I'm gonna move it to I'm gonna disconnect a lot of this shit actually. Disconnect, because you can't bring up. So I have it connected to two.
Enhance.
Yeah,
Enhance.
pretty much. Enhance.
That's all that made me think about.
It's pretty much.
Enhance.
No. I'm only leaving Apex on here. Cove, are you buying before the release? I don't know. I'm just gonna possibly. What time's NVIDIA 420? I got a dead TPT account. Me over here playing around with friend waiting on in the wings, and then yo, I'm telling you, Miss Goody, any guys that you're texting are, you send one text at night, 10, 11 a 11 at night. Hey, what, you up?
That's all it takes.
Yo, you up? That's when you'll see, you see what his response is. You can always get out of what's, are you up? You could always be like, oh man, I had a nightmare. I was just wondering if you were up. But, but if he responds like, yeah, you want me to come over? You know, instantly. When is the earnings thingy? Sounds like my wife. Yo, when is that golf thingy you're gonna do? How is the copier? I have no issues copying. Obviously, it's working pretty good today. You even made me extra money today. What a fucking glitch. That's fixed now.
That was wild.
It was awesome. Fuck, man. That was awesome.
Yeah, but it's not a good glitch to have.
No,
either.
It's fixed now, but the greatest part was I just banked on it. I never lost on it, so it was only a positive. Awesome. Hey, Farver. Is your newest code on the website for the copier? I'll look right now. Hold on. I passed my account today. I am funded. I'm going to have to play a TPT Pro account that I've been sitting here for ages.
Is it pretty much dead?
Yeah, it's got $88 of drawdown.
Hell yeah.
I mean, it's had $88 of drawdown. I don't even know when the last time I traded it was. I've gotten, they got like 7 payouts out of it, so I really can't bitch, but you know. I need to have 2 sets of accounts. One that it triggers on its way up, because I can't buy early on $88. You know what I'm saying? Kind of fucked.
Nah.
That's
definitely cannot do that.
You know, so I got like that. What I might do, which I should do, is shut this Ninja Trader off on my main computer and then just run everything on the Ninja on my laptop. Therefore, I can open up a second Apex window. Yeah. That's probably what I'm going to do. Okay, for anyone that wants to know. Problem is they do release at 420. Yeah, so you can't use any My Funded Future accounts. I think that's the move, though, is I get rid of this ninja. And I just rip. I gotta use like something like this as my lead. Like this. It's got $2,000 of drawdown. Like that's gonna be my lead account on one. Dude, you could automate anything. You know, you can use TPT, Lucid. I think you can use Legends. I think it's just my funded futures. You can use Tradeify. Yeah, so I gotta do so I'm gonna put one together real fast. I'm actually gonna shut this off. Stop copying. Alright, I just shut my copy trader off. Actually shut down my whole Ninja Trader. Cove, can you please consider automating my laundry? Possibly. I can work on it. Let's see if it fucking... I might have to refresh my... I don't know. Cool. Alright. So... we're going to go NQ 57. I'm going to do pre-allocation. I'm going to do pro account, which is going to have this is going to be like the shit of the shit. These are the accounts that have no fucking drawdown. I don't think I have really any accounts that are like that have like no fucking drawdown. Are you going through your accounts right now?
Yeah.
To see which ones are just fucking torched. I don't really have though.
I only have 3 that are torched, and then I have one Fidias account that I'm just gonna send.
See, like if you have $300 of drawdown, I don't necessarily. I don't need to do that with that account. You know what I'm saying? Like $300 is enough for me to.
I have one that's got like
$88. I'm trading earnings, Brandy. What's up, Maritime?
the best was when I had like $12 of drawdown on a CPI. That was amazing. And then I took a payout from it that same day.
Yeah. You know what I should do? I want to see something though. Yo, if you're in here, submit to the duck race on here because I just want to make sure if somebody's not scamming the system and they're just going to the link and they're not even in here. So possible to be a good trader and a good Jenga player. Is this thing not even working anymore? I don't even think this thing's working anymore. Somebody
broke it again.
I don't know, man. Look. Let me see if it works. Bro, it's just fucking.
That's fucking Streamlabs.
Yeah. That's so crazy that it fucking broke.
Gay Streamlabs.
No, it's not even working. I'm just looking to see what I have that has like no fucking drawdown. Honestly, I only have one account that has like no drawdown. It's literally that pro account. So I might just fucking run that pro account in its own shit. You know what I mean?
Are you gonna send some other accounts on it?
Yeah, but the pro account, like I'll buy early probably with some of the other accounts.
That's dangerous, man. Buying early.
Why?
On earnings, because sometimes they like to wick way down and then go.
Yeah. You know what?
It's not like CPI or NFP where they're usually pretty clean. Earnings are my least favorite to play.
Yeah. I mean, I'm seeing here. I by no means am like, oh, cool. Like, actually, I'm gonna do that with.
I'm playing it just like I would play CPI or NFP, putting my orders above.
Yeah, but you're also yeah, we'll talk about that. I do have one account. I have a TL account I'm going to use.
I can't play earnings with TL.
What?
Because it closes at 4.
Does it really?
Or 3. Yeah, they close early.
Ugh.
It's like My Fun of Futures.
Remember when I got robbed? Me?
I don't know. It kind of depends on where the market's at when we get ready for that time.
Oh yeah, dude. Like if you're trying to plan it now, Austin, I have no idea. You as long as it's not, you could trade anything. I think. Um. Uh, do I have a freaking? Let's see if I can pass this account here. I feel like it's gonna just freaking run into earnings, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Last time it ran into earnings. Nah, it's at 420. We got plenty. I mean, you got plenty of time.
Oh yeah.
You got plenty of time. I'm just gonna rip some of these.
Rip it.
Rip it real good. Oh man, it just got under. Come on, man. Fucking push this out. I'm just getting out. I don't want to trade all these fucking evals, to be honest with you.
I'm so mad. Freaking Tradeify got rid of all my freaking preset ATM orders.
Oh yeah, when they do the thing. Yeah.
It's really stupid.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen that happen.
And then they added all these like pre-filled ones. I'm like, why the fuck did you add all these?
I passed my account today. I am funded. I'm just looking to see what other garbage accounts I got.
Okay. I had everything ready for it now.
You're all set.
I am. I'm ready for freaking Tradeify to yell at me for consistency again.
I mean, last time it just kind of went straight down.
Earnings?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep. I went back and looked at it.
Oh, so I'm going to have to play both ways.
What?
I said, so I'm going to have to play both ways.
Yeah, I mean, Apex doesn't let you do that, but honestly, if it goes down, I'm out. I've been in a bit of a rut. Can't make more than $100. I decided to tell myself that is actually 5% on a 20K deal. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what your strategy is. I mean, what are you doing? I only ask, like, because you come in here later on the day. Like, are you at work during the earlier part of the day, Jose? Like, what are you doing earlier?
Fucking knob, 40,000 nanos. The other thing I'm reminding myself is NFP is next week.
Oh, I didn't know that.
John, so I'm only playing long.
Oh, I only count money that hits my bank, John. Yeah, I only count money that hits my bank. If it doesn't hit the bank, I don't like. Today's nothing until the money hits my bank. That's how I look at shit. Like guys that are like, yo, I made 12, I made 30. Bro, I one time, so here's an example. Fucking rips. Yo, I made $31,000 today in my Apex evaluations. You know, and then he never got a payout. So like
nobody cares.
Yeah. So like telling people that you got all this money and you never took the payout, like, you know, you should have to go back and you should have to tell everybody that I did not get $31,000. That was a fucking, you know. You should have to go back and tell people that you didn't get the money. Fucking. All that matters is what hits the bank. I actually made more than that last year in trading. I trade a larger retirement account that made really good money last year. Thank you to China tariff. Fucking. That was probably the best thing.
No thanks to PayPal.
No thanks to PayPal. That's this year. I took a $45,000 loss.
Was that
in
this
PayPal.
year?
Yeah. Yeah.
All these years are fucking blurring together.
At least I'm, but yeah, like, dude, I'll tell you what, man. I scroll through X. There's so many fucking. Yo, PayPal. I was a fucking community member. Yeah. I was basically a community member of PayPal. Just completely hosed me. Fucking PayPal. Bro.
Fuck you, PayPal.
Yeah, you ain't kidding, man. Bro, PayPal. Explain PayPal. I lost like $45,000 in PayPal this year. Trading it. At least I can be honest about it and not tell you I made $31,000 in my evaluations accounts. And then not get the payout.
Yeah, just remember, there's people out there that are hosting on prop firm TV shows, hedging with their girlfriends.
It was a trade. Yeah, it was a trade. I was in PayPal, and the sad part was, at one point I was probably up $5,000 in it, and then it just fucking dumped. I didn't lose on the platform. It was stock. I was in quite a bit of PayPal. Obviously, for me to lose $45,000, I was obviously had a lot of PayPal.
No, not Matt.
I don't even know what you're talking about, but
it's not Matt, Eric.
This is fucking crazy. Are we not gonna run? I'll be honest with you. I like NVIDIA even better if we pull back here to the upside. NVIDIA's been down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dude, NVIDIA's down basically 10% in 7 days before earnings.
So maybe it might rip.
I think you're going to get a rip.
So you're saying there's a chance.
See, so last time when we went into earnings, bro, what day is what day? I don't
For keeps, I can neither confirm nor deny.
The fuck? Yo, that was the 20th? We were at 222 last time we had earnings. And then it literally sold off for 5 fucking days afterwards.
No, I'm not seeing any.
Yeah, it dumped right after earnings, but it literally dumped on earnings last time.
You're like Azle area though, aren't you? Alito.
I don't know where that is. I don't know.
It's west of Fort Worth.
Let's see what my kids are doing. This kid's rowing a boat. Oh, he's in a kayak. Yeah, good for him. Working his little muscles out. What is this? Oh. 59 watching? Yo. Most of those people should have been on the morning stream too. Jeez. Missing out, peeps. I heard they're allergic to money is the problem. Come on, little push.
Yeah, they'd rather lose money watching retards.
There we go. Look at this shit. I'm gonna ride this all the way if it goes up. I think we push into close here. So I think the climate is controlled by the governments. I don't know about the climate, but I know they can shock the clouds to get water, to get rain. They did it in Texas. They did it in Dubai. Just fucking locking money in. Yo. If you want to watch losers, there's a bunch of them.
My Funded Futures. You could watch Pat.
Jeez.
Sorry, my bad.
Come on. They really got to start, though, putting people's fucking...
Sometimes I copy trade.
If not account numbers, they need to start doing fucking balances of people that are... oh, that was MOC. I'm out. I didn't even realize that was MOC. They need to start doing balances of people, if not for the overall, like, day-to-day on all these shows.
I had a decent day trading. My focus has been so split this fucking past couple weeks trying to sell this company. I have not been on my game. That and trying to get this other thing started.
I just think that they should have, they don't want to do accumulate like every single day, they should do it where the balance starts at 0 and at least people can see the P&L for the day of these people. Like, the fact that you don't see the P&L of any of these people day to day is absolutely ridiculous. You don't even need night, because nighttime there's not much trading. Like, let's be real. But like during New York session, they should definitely do it. That's how I feel. I mean, Asia session is to me more of like a hangout. Personally,
Martin, I did like $100 in 3 accounts. And that was it. I was done trading.
All right.
It's hard to focus on trading when you're doing other things right now. Tell you what.
I need 2 accounts up.
I'm ready to be done with this crap.
All right. So oh man, I don't even know what I'm gonna fucking do. So all right. So this one, Nah. I gotta open up another fucking Apex account on this side. Is it gonna open though? It should. Okay, cool. So 57 is going to be a bracket. Cove, you've been working on what you're doing for the last hour. I know because there's half accounts that I need to bracket, half accounts I'm going to just buy one mini beforehand and then bracket. Hold on one second. Ooh, I just got.
Cove probably just tripped. Yo, for keeps, yeah, I'm selling a business right now. I'm also working with some prop firm shit right now. I'm back end. There's a lot. There's a lot that's being done right now.
Holy fuck. Bro, what was that? Yo.
It's that end of day dump right there. Little pre-earnings dump. No, I'm not getting out of trading. I'm wrapping some things up with this company I'm selling, and then I'm doing some other shit for trading and prop firms.
Prop firms. 60.
Y'all will see Thursday, Friday. Y'all are gonna see something.
62. So this one is strategy 1. Take profit only. We do right. Oh my god. And then this one is going to be bracket trade strategy 1. I don't even know what fucking strategy 1 is on this one. Take profit only. Wait, what? Why is that?
Who's yelling? Why is Eric yelling? Eric's being a bot right now. Quit being a bot.
Oh man, dude. I'm gonna freaking. Alright, so this 57 is gonna get bracket traded, and then the rest. It says it's gonna come out at 420 though. So
You talking about when I get up? I haven't gotten up. I haven't left.
Nah, me. I got up.
Oh.
All right. This is what we're gonna do here. It says 4:20, but I'm gonna put my order in beforehand. Just fucking God forbid it comes out early. I don't think there's any other big earnings today. Oh, well, OKTA is early, and Drift might play out pretty solid today, by the way. Just thinking about it. I might try it.
Yeah, I might try it on one account. Why not? I gotta remember to change my settings back though.
Yeah, same. I just think that they might just sell it off, just like they are. Here we go. Is it just gonna fucking dump here? This thing looks like it's gonna fucking unload. I'm just waiting.
It's going without us.
I just fucking flipped it real fast for $80. I think I don't love it. I'm out. Probably gonna come down to VWAP though. That's what I was kind of shooting for, but yeah, luckily I got out. All right. All right. Here it is. Here it is. I mean, there's a couple earnings that are going on. Should probably turn the news fucking guy on, right?
Probably.
Dude, there was a big MOC to the buy side. Just an FYI. There was a big Trump signs order banning some foreign energy equipment from U.S. grid.
Salesforce earnings come through for the second quarter. Revenue $11.35 billion, beating in the estimate of $11.32 billion. Second quarter
CRM
adjusted
is up.
EPS of $5.90 against $2.91 year on year. See fiscal year revenue between $46.1 billion to $46.4
That's
billion.
actually big news.
They saw $45.9 billion to $46.2 billion.
OKTA is up also.
CRM second quarter remaining performance obligations at $66 billion compared to the estimate of $67.66 billion.
Actually,
Salesforce sees third quarter revenue between $11.42 billion to $11.5 billion compared to the estimate of $11.42 billion. Salesforce second quarter subscription and support revenue $10.82 billion, better on the estimate of $10.79 billion. Second quarter subscription and revenue in constant currency plus 11%. Salesforce raises fiscal year 2027 revenue guidance by $200 million.
Yo, shit's gonna be.
Salesforce sees third quarter adjusted EPS of $3.42 to $3.44.
Yo, what's up,
Beat on
people?
the estimate of
Start playing the Eminem
$3.39.
song. Fucking knees weak, palms are sweaty.
Yo, if you're new here, subscribe. Smash the subscribe button if you're new. Say what's up. Oh, man. I almost want to buy early, but
Shares of Salesforce rising 4.6% in extending trading after posting quarterly results.
I am going to watch this. Those are really good results for... So basically what it's showing for CRM, if you guys don't know, the fact that CRM earnings are good, it's showing that AI is not killing the software companies. So
That's real good.
Other tech companies, I'm going to see if I get past this. What is this? 200, 400, 600, 800. Right there, I pass. Yeah, I don't think people realize what that kind of means.
Salesforce shares gaining 7% after fiscal 2027 sales view raised.
No, earnings are not always clean.
No, it's not. It's probably not going to be clean. It's probably not going to be clean, to be honest with you. It's in 16 minutes. I think this thing drifts up the whole time. It's probably going to drift up into earnings, and then Nvidia is going to go wherever Nvidia goes. But I like everything I've seen so far. Did that fucking... Oh no, there it is. I was thinking about
just an early reminder ahead of Nvidia's second quarter 2027 earnings. EPS estimate is $2.09. Revenue estimate is $92.38 billion.
I'm going to pass that account. I hope I pass it before Nvidia earnings come out. What did I use to connect Claude to live data? Was it MCP server? It connects to Ninja or Claude on your desktop. I have a whole video about it, John. I have 2 videos or 3 videos about it. If you want to look. Do I really want to pass this before Nvidia earnings come out?
What do you have to get to?
Salesforce says Salesforce and Anthropic announced Cloudforce. Excuse me, Claudeforce.
Claudeforce? What the fuck? Come on. Please. Just need a little pop. I think it's going to pop. Is it 57? Oh, look at that shit. Yo, look at that. Oh, I'm at 953. Bro, I was actually over. I didn't even know it. Bro, look at where my sell is, and the fact that it didn't get me is absurd. Yo, that's so crazy. Are you fucking kidding me? You better get your ass up there and find that fucking dog.
The wick tickler got you.
Oh my god. Yeah. That's crazy.
And you say, got him.
Got him! Bro. I can't believe that just happened to me. Now I gotta sit here and wait through fucking earnings of NVIDIA. Oh no, 57.
Let's take a look at the market wrap for the US session before we get NVIDIA's earnings. Wall Street refrained from placing huge wagers on equities ahead of NVIDIA's earnings, as bond yields surged amid speculation that the Fed could hike interest rates this year. The shares led 1.6% as chipmakers' earnings date approached. The S&P 500 fluctuated, short-dated treasuries underperformed. Money markets have fully priced in a rate hike by December, based on indicators that the economy remains robust. While the key inflation gauge met expectations, it was still far above the Fed's target. Oil prices swung on news that Russia is escalating the fight in Ukraine. The core PCE index, which excludes food and energy, rose 3.3% in July compared to the previous year.
Right there.
Separate data showed the US economy increased at an unrevised 1.5% rate in the second quarter, with the underlying details indicating greater consumption, spending, and business investment than previously reported. Anthropic committed to paying $45 billion to rent AI cloud computing power from Nscale's flagship data center in West Virginia.
I can't believe that shit. NVIDIA comes out in 11 minutes. Is that the free version of the newsfeed? Sure. Definitely. I believe it is. I have to double check though.
Ten minutes ago now to get NVIDIA's Q2 2027 earnings.
I can't believe I just got fucked
EPS
like that.
estimate of $2.09, revenue estimate of $92.38 billion.
In your account window, why not have the column total instead of cash amount? What's the difference? Isn't that the total? Isn't that the total? That's what's in the account. I hope it smashes. Yo, I just don't understand why. What's the difference between total and cash amount? Because this is the number that has to go over 53,000 for you to get paid or pass the account. So, has the running total that's in there? Yeah, I don't know. I'll switch it tomorrow. I don't want to touch shit right now, but I'll switch it tomorrow. Basically, as this goes up, you would see you'd see this amount going up. So this would be like 52,643 right now. Makes sense. I'm going to have to switch back to this other account. Fuck me, man. 50. I would like to stay in this account and get fucking out in the next 3 minutes for a pass. NVIDIA, we play the second leg of the move. No, I actually wait for the big third leg, and I love to play that. I look for the big third leg. You
He
should
likes
too.
to play with the third leg.
Just look for it. You're short? May God have mercy on your accounts.
No kidding.
I don't know about that. I mean, listen, you might hit, but fucking, there's been 2 earnings out and they're both good. I don't. OKTA, which represents
According to TASM
cybersecurity,
News, the Yemeni armed forces launched
fucking
missile
up.
attack on Saudi-backed mercenary positions in the Al Makkah area.
CRM is up. By the way, I made $150 on OKTA options today. That shit's gonna be fucking straight cash. What else we got? I got 7 minutes to get out of this shit. Actually, if it's not out in the next 3 minutes, I'm getting off of this screen and I'm going to.
Next one.
I'm gonna go to the one that I'm gonna be on. I think I actually passed the account like here. I only actually need like 5 points, like right there. Not even. I didn't calculate it out correctly. Yo, G-Reg. With the third leg Greg. Is that what it is? It's third leg Greg?
What's that from?
It's fucking Greg
Court
Olson's
fighting
rap
judge approves
from
meta
Miami
settlement with
University.
states over child
That's
harms.
right.
He doesn't answer any questions about it. If like there's been people that have been like, yo, you're my favorite rapper, and he just fucking looks disgusted. I would be like, fuck yeah, man. I'd be like, how awesome is that shit? That was fire. Oh, I need $50. Bro, it was the 7th floor crew, which was all football players.
5 minutes ago, to forget NVIDIA Q2 2027
You can
earnings,
only
EPS
imagine
estimate
what
of
went on that
$2.09,
floor.
revenue estimate of
The Miami
$92.38
Hurricanes
billion.
football team.
A lot of STDs.
Bro, that place was probably fucking crazy.
Oh, 4 minutes.
I'm going to have to switch off this. I'm going to have to hold this shit.
Better take that stop off, boy.
Well, I had to move this. I had to move my stop up in case it just dumps. I don't want to lose this account that's fucking right here to pass.
Bro, if that thing's in with NVIDIA and the thing drops, ain't no stop saving it.
I don't know, man. I kind of want to just get my fucking money right here. I'm $100 away from passing. I got 4 minutes left. I might just take it.
I would.
Well, no, I'm like waiting. I'm going to wait for another minute and then I'm going to flop over. Fuck it. Fucking unbelievable, bro. $100.
Fuck it. Remove the stop. I'm just holding it.
I'm out on it. There we go. I should listen. I was actually over, but dude, this is gonna be really good or really fucking bad. I can tell you that right now.
Either way, I don't really give a shit.
I know.
None of these accounts are worth a damn right this second.
Yeah, that's pretty much how I am.
I'm trying to decide where I'm gonna put my brackets.
I'm only going to the upside.
I mean, that's all I'm doing. I'm trying to decide where I'm gonna put them.
I'm probably gonna if we stopped right here, I'd probably put it right at the. I'd probably put it at like 78. How it's done? You can see on my screen how it's done. Look at all this fucking green. People don't watch for the green. They need red days. They only want to see red days.
That's it. Just red.
They only want to see you when you're red. They don't want to see your order beforehand or account balances or numbers, and it's too transparent for people. They just want to see red. It's so true. If I have a red day, more people come on.
Earnings are in a minute and 30 seconds. Wow. Little pre-pop right there.
Yeah.
I hate when it does that. I hate when it does that, man.
I don't want it to run prior.
No.
One minute to go now to get NVIDIA Q2 2027 earnings.
Going for like 20 points.
Stop it, NQ. Just stop it. What are you doing? Quit flickering like that.
I'm going to have to buy early in this fucking one account. Bro, I think it's going to go fucking massive up. We'll see, though. Or down. I mean, last time it was
10
down.
seconds. Adjusted EPS $2.22, $2.22, a beat on the estimate of $2.09. Revenue $96.2 billion, a beat on the estimate of $92.38 billion. They see third quarter revenue of $108 billion,
There's no way
plus
you
or
got
minus
filled on the
2%.
downside.
Adjusted gross margin
bracket.
75%. Vera
Straight
Rubin now in
fucking
full
down.
production. Data center revenue for Q2 $89 billion, beat on the estimate of $85.86 billion. NVIDIA's Wang says AI has reached its inflection point.
I'm leaving this to see if it breaks over.
Key points there. NVIDIA's second quarter data center revenue, $89 billion, a beat on the estimate of $85.86 billion.
Bro, they just fucking beat.
NVIDIA says they will pay next quarterly cash dividend of 25 cents a share on October 1st.
Yeah, that's crazy.
NVIDIA's Wang says now compute is revenue. So again, saying now compute is revenue.
That's
NVIDIA says
wild.
NVIDIA is not assuming any data center compute revenue from China in its outlook. NVIDIA sees third quarter revenue of $105.84 billion to $110.16 billion.
That wasn't even that
compared
big
to
of
the
a
estimate of
dump.
$105.15 billion.
Last time it was over 100 points straight down, which would have brought you all the way down here in like a flash. Got to remember, there's other earnings that are good.
So NVIDIA shares dipping 1.4% and extending trading after posting quarterly results.
Bro, that's crazy.
No. Guess I'm saving these counts for
NVIDIA's
NFT.
second quarter compute
next
and
week.
network revenue of $88.3 billion.
I wonder if we go right back up.
Beat on the estimate of $84.69 billion. AI, clouds,
wrong
industrial, and enterprise revenue of $40.31 billion.
Crazy.
Hyperscale revenue, $48.71 billion. beating on the estimate of $43.55 billion. Second quarter edge computing revenue of $7.2 billion, beating on the estimate of $6.61 billion. They see third quarter adjusted gross margin between 73.5% to 74.5%.
Yo, that was so
They
bad.
see second quarter adjusted operating expense of about $9 billion compared to the estimate of $8.97 billion.
That's crazy. That's fucking wild. That was disappointing. That was super disappointing. Well, if you wanted to make money, you just had to come on earlier. But watch them fucking make it all back. Yeah, but this isn't what I want. I'm not looking to like hold this shit. I'll play just this account.
NVIDIA says shipments of data center Hopper products to China during the quarter were less than 1% of data center revenue. Now the CFO giving some commentary.
I mean, NVIDIA's making so
says
much money.
infrastructure ports Pike could represent about 1.5 million GPUs. Also, NVIDIA says that commitments are primarily due to memory procurement.
It's crazy because they're just making so much fucking money that you would think that it goes up. I think it's just so immune to it right now. Fuck. I'm gonna have to take this fucking call. But let me do this real fast.
All right.
Nah, well, I'm gonna run some duckies for everybody because everybody wants duckies.
NVIDIA says commitments increased to $279 billion from $119 billion quarter on quarter. So again, commitments increased to $279 billion from $119 billion quarter on quarter. NVIDIA says that they've partnered with suppliers to secure critical components.
Wow, fucking crazy.
Dude, this thing's just running back up to the upside.
You got to remember, there's other... Yo, a lot of you guys didn't even fucking sign up for this shit, which is crazy. How do you... Oh, it's up to you guys.
I know it wasn't working at the end of the day.
No, I mean the sign up of on the website.
Oh.
NVIDIA says they signed data center lease pacts with terms of about 15 years.
Jeez.
NVIDIA expects to reassign data center leases to third parties.
Man, what a letdown, NVIDIA. What a letdown.
Bro, that's when she's talking all that freaky shit, and then you get there and she falls asleep. You're like... Yo, we're gonna play some fucking paintball, I think, and then we'll run some
I'm out.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Later.
Let's see what we got. Let's run some paintball. Run a couple paintballs. I gotta go coach freaking baseball in a little bit. I'm gonna coach softball. I had a great day. If Nvidia's making money so much, why'd they raise money? I think fucking Google raised money recently. Or yeah. Why? I mean, it's part of their thing. They could, I think Google raised money out of. Did Google just. Yeah, Google just raised capital. I don't know. Google's making fucking a ton of money.
Nvidia says ports pike guarantee obligations capped at $105 billion.
Nvidia's sold out like fucking for years. I mean, you could hate on it all you want, but I wouldn't bet against it. I wouldn't bet against anything AI. These companies raise money all the time. It's probably cheaper to raise money, or whatever they're doing. Yo, passed an eval? Yo, fucking, let's get some, dude, we need some music on here.
I check the chart like a test and I fail it on purpose. Cash in my hand, cold sweat, still I grin, still I purchase. I should size it slowly when it involves the tape, but my thumb gets lonely and my brain says take the bait. Got mad size on my liquidity, they leaning when I say they'll sweet on the spread, yeah, and I throw it all away. How many? I keep asking the screen, how many, till the number starts to scream. YOLO king, I never learned, I just swing. YOLO king,
well, if it's not impressive, you should bet against it and see what happens. That's what makes the market great.
50 minis, I'm
oh shit.
Then the red bars catch up and they tapping in my chest. I call it just one setup, then it's 10 in a row.
Killing.
Be careful, then I click, then I go.
I wouldn't bet against fucking Nvidia.
What I am, a nice little beat on the outside, inside I'm a gambling man. How many? Can the market take my name?
I can't believe that thing just kept going.
How many? I still jump in every game. YOLO king, I never learned.
Damn, Nvidia's earnings are fucking crazy. Yo, they beat on revenue, gross margin, 75 fucking %.
I said I get better. I said it out loud. But the same little devil keeps me spinning around. If the loss is a lesson, why do I?
Man, that's crazy.
I don't wanna be saved now. I just want it all. YOLO king.
Yo.
I never learned, I just swing. YOLO king. One more trade, one more spin. I got a bad habit.
It's so crazy.
YOLO king. Yeah, I always bet today. Yeah.
I was wondering if the market just went anywhere, but it might pump tomorrow. It might pump tonight, Jay. You might get a massive pump tonight. I would watch for that. I bet you tonight moves. Yo, Alana. I mean, then I would suggest doing it. If you honestly, if you got the top, then you would make a lot of money. If you got the top, you could make a lot of money. You could be the Michael Burry. I'm not betting fucking against it. Man, this shit's crazy. Oh, man. Oh shit. Yo, what up, soy boy? Bro. Fucking day was awesome. I gotta get on an important phone call in 2 minutes. Funded today. So it is on point. Oh, you know what we're doing today? Somebody asked. Hold on. I don't know what's going on. Trading Royale. Here we go. Yo, watch your total up here. My account today. I am funded. Yo, Killian making some solid trades over here, Killian. Yo, helpful, you better fucking hit the gas pedal, brother. You're not getting any ass or Range Rover with that. Killian's stacking gains. Alana. Come on. Oh, Killian, you just fucking dropped a nuke. Yo, you were winning, Killian. What happened? Yo, is everybody gonna lose? Yo, for keeps. Oh, shit. Bro. I'm going to check all my emails. Say, I got to go coach softball, and I got to go on an important call. Obviously, we fucking crushed it today. Maybe we'll do something special tomorrow. What'd you win? I think it's an any size Apex account. Shoot me an email. I think that's what they're for. If we hit 100 people on tomorrow, we'll do something special. We got super close today. Shoot me an email if you have my email. Other than that, I will I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm out. Peace. Another great day.